Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Let's Play Doom. We're on Rebirth. I don't know what fucking map. Map refueling base. Gotta kill some motherfuckers. That's what we're here to do. So let's get this shit on the road and go through the fucking teleporter. Oh, this music's awesome. Wait, why the fuck am I back here? What the fuck? Oh, I don't wanna go that way. For fuck's sake. I have no idea where to go. I wanna play. I'll kill these motherfuckers. I need the red key. Let's see. How the fuck do I get the yellow key, man? Going through here is just... Oh! Secrets. There's just nothing but a fucking... Oh shit, no! Right, can I... Was that an invisible wall, or was that... a fucking invisible wall, man? Is there anything in here? Teleporters? Where is this gonna take me? Take me back here. I just wanna get the fucking yellow key! I'm missing something really fucking obvious. If I can press like the red key, but I can't go in the... What the fuck is that? I need the fucking red key to get it. Oh, Speedy Gonzalez. Right, now this is the... That's the red key. So I need to find the fucking red key, don't I? Where the fuck's the red key? Right, I'm gonna pause the video here and look for that motherfucking red key. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back, and I missed the fucking door, and I found it straight after I stopped my fucking recording. There's Mancubus. There's a fat ass, but she's like wiggling. Oh, there's two. No, it's just like, oh fuck! Good, no, open the fucking door. Oh fuck! Go. Oh fucking trip. Oh fuck, there's imps. Imps everywhere, man. Oh shit, imps every fucking way, dude. I'm freaking up. They're still teleporting in. So many imps, I'd love killing my imps. Right, there we go, now we got the red key. Can I just... Here we go. Fuck, more shit coming down from the fucking ceilings. And I hear more teleportation. Let's just save it. Why the fuck did I spell it wrong? Hello? Oh, fucking cacodemons. Are you taking a piss? Fuck, why the fuck did... Fuck's sake, man. Right, so now I got the yellow key. Where the fuck was the yellow door? Oh, but I got the red key and the red keys. This place, oh yeah, you motherfuckers. I think I missed one, yes. There's the blue key, and I see you little fucking specters. Oh fuck. Oh shit, go, go! Oh. Not good for the health. But I've gotta, I assume, use the yellow key. Figure out where the fuck. No, I don't wanna go that way. Go, 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 go! Oh, now where the fuck's the yellow door? Is it up here? It better be fucking up here. Oh, here we go. It's a cacodemon just hiding, just chilling. Oh. Oh, soul spit. Oh, that's what I wanted. No, it scared me for a minute. No, let's go. No, not that way. Just motherfucking worried. Right. I knew there was some motherfuckers in here. I was expecting something. Oh I was expecting something bigger to come. Can I even get up there? I'm assuming this takes me. Oh, I get all those yummy ammo. Level down. Oh, the machine. Teleport center. Oh, of district. That's not the teleportation structure. Oh, come on then, motherfucker. I see you. I see. Oh, look how fucking huge his arm is. That arm is huge. Oh, there's two of them. Oh. Yeah, I thought I saw you. Oh shit, you motherfucker. Oh shit. There we go. Fucking boxes. I don't have the yellow key. Oh, fuck you! Oh, lag. Oh, fuck. What the fuck's going on, man? I don't want to go that way. Oh, should I? Oh, fuck, lag! Oh, you're fucking taking the heap of bejeebies. Shit! Alright, 1 second. Right, okay, we're back. I was trying to check my fucking CPU usage. What the fuck is it so high, man? Fuck this. This laptop is so fucking old now. Can't even. Oh fuck! I wasn't paying any attention. Oh! Shit. Shit. Kill him. Right, as I was saying, my laptop is so fucking old it can't even run Doom. Fucking hell. You know that's bad. Don't have the fucking yellow key. What the fuck's the blue doors over there? Oh shit! A Mancubus! Oh fucking lag. Die, fat motherfucker. Cigarette! Right, so the blue door's over there. I see the little man walking about. Yeah, fuck, that was all my ammo. Fuck's sake. How the fuck... How the fuck do I get it from? Oh, see a button. I don't know what that did. Oh, there we go. What the fuck? Get the fuck out of my way. Put the chain gun out and what fuck these bitches up, man. How the oh, there we go. Thought I was fucking trapped down there for a second. Doo doo. Doo doo. Oh. Fuck. Oh, fuck this shit. Oh, Nike burst. Oh, get the fuck out of it. Oh, shit! What the fuck's fucking tree? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck that. Let's do this properly. Oh, fucking lag! Such a problem, man. Let's take this one out first. No, I'm prepared for you, motherfuckers. I'm gonna take you out. Oh, what the fuck, am I dead? Oh, fuck. I'm scratching my nose. You just came out of fucking nowhere. Oh, I got the window. That's now I got the yellow key. To the yellow door. But first, get this thing. Where the fuck? Get the fucking shotgun shells, man. Oh, there's the yellow door. What? But I got the yellow key. Let's go this way. Get the fucking million chain gunners and just fucking shoot them in the ass. What the fuck is with the lag, man? I'm only playing fucking Doom. Oh, I love my secrets. Is that now brought up one big motherfucker from down there? Oh, fuck! Oh, that generally made me fucking shit myself. Fucking oh, I was not expecting to fucking hurt you, my friend. Get the fuck out of my face. Oh, fuck! Oh, the fuck's sake, really? Man, these guys really fucked me over this time. At least they give me fucking health. Man, that fucking scared the shit out of me. Rawr! Oh, fuck man. Hello? Oh! Whoa! Fuck! Balls. At least I know it's fucking coming this time. You shoot me, please. There we go. What the fuck, man? Get the fuck away from my face. Oh shit. No. Oh, fuck you, Mr. Edgemont. Fuck you! Oh, don't bring more back. Don't fucking shoot me. Fucking die, man. Don't fucking die! Oh, fuck. Finished. The teleport center. Home? Oh shit, man. You have won. You are victorious as enabled humankind to evacuate Earth from escape the nightmare. Now you are the only human left on the face of the planet. Cannibal mutations, carnivorous aliens, and evil spirits are your only neighbors. You sit back and wait for death, content that you have saved your species. But then, Earth Control beams down a message from space. Sensors have located the source of the alien invasion. If you go there, you may be able to block their entry. The alien base is in the heart of your own home city, not far from the Star Park. Slowly and painfully, you get up and return to your prey. Oh shit, man. Listen to this motherfucking music, man. Oh, fuck. Right, well, I think we're gonna end it here. Another episode in this Let's Play. Until next time. Until part whatever. Goodbye.